guys, it's Taya back with another video. Today I'm so excited. I'm gonna be showing you guys, yes, another wash day, how I get my curls to pop and look like this. I know many of you guys are going back to school and you guys are looking for affordable products, so I just decided to go ahead and show you guys some of my favorite hair care affordable products that you guys can use to get your wash and go popping all school year round. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look and how I get my wash and goes to stay popping and just to stay moisturized, then just keep watching. If you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys are already following me on Instagram, don't forget to do so. And let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Starting out with a clean foundation, I've already done a bentonite clay mask, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse my hair, making sure that my hair is nice and saturated before I start my shampoo process. The shampoo of my choice today is the Whole Blends. This retails for about $3.49 and this is their Honey Treasures line. The reason why I chose this is because when I first started my healthy hair journey, I started using these products and they worked really well. They were really affordable and it still works to this day. You can see by my face I was quite confused. I didn't know which one I picked up. I actually thought I had the conditioner because you guys see it's super thick. So that's another reason why I love it, because you get like the most bang for your buck. You get so much in the bottle and you can use this bottle for a really long time. Starting off at the scalp area, I'm just putting the shampoo there and then I'm just kind of working that down the length of my hair. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair out. And you guys, make sure that you rinse all the shampoo out of your hair. You want to make sure you rinse it out very well, because you do not want shampoo left in your hair. That is no fun and it definitely will dry your hair out. So now that I'm done rinsing my hair, I'm just squeezing out the excess water and showing you guys how I still have, like, my curls are like super defined. So that's another way you know a shampoo is really good, when it still leaves your hair nice and defined. Now I'm just tying up the first half of my hair and I've already done the second half off camera. So here we are. My conditioner of choice today is going to be the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa. This retails for about $2.99, you guys. And I love it because it's just really affordable. This bottle is huge. It lasts a long time and I like the smell as well. So I'm splitting my hair in halves and I'm just going to be tying the other half up. I'm taking a big glob of this conditioner, and can I just tell you guys, even though it looks thin in my hands, make no mistake about it, this conditioner has slip. The slip is amazing. Like, I mean, I just love this stuff. If you haven't already checked out my video on my leave-ins, make sure you do so. I talk more in detail about this product. Now I'm just using my tangle teaser and just detangling my hair, making sure that I work that conditioner in. And after I'm done that, it's optional, you guys. You can use a little bit of oil. Since I didn't have a leave-in in the shower, I decided to put a little bit of oil in my hair in the shower. And now I'm just going to twist my hair up. And this just helps me stay nice and organized, you guys. It helps me stay, it just keeps my hair more manageable when I twist it up. Now that I'm done with all my sections, I'm just going to show you the twist. And I think I did about 8 here. I usually do about 8. That works well with me. Sometimes I'm lazy and I'll do like 6, but most of the time I like doing 8 because it's smaller sections and I can kind of work through faster once I'm doing my wash and go. So now that I'm done with these, I'm going to go ahead and twist them up, put my plastic bag on, and then I'm going to take my shower. And the next time you guys see me, I'm going to be at my chair, so I'll talk to you guys in a few. My leave-in of choice today is going to be by ORS, and this is their Butter Whip leave-in conditioner. It retails for $5.99. I'm also going to be pairing that with my Wetline, my clear one, which is $2.99. You guys know I'm super excited to have my clear back. I'm just showing you guys how my hair looks without any product. And then I'm also going to be using my water bottle. I wanted to show you guys quickly the consistency of the leave-in that I'm using today. And you guys, this is the first time that I'm using it, so I love the fact that it's super thick and it's super creamy. Starting off at the back of my hair, I'm just making sure to work the product in from roots to tips. You guys know this is where I normally always start, on this side of my hair. I don't know why, I just like this side. So anyway, I'm just going in with some more of the product. And you guys know I always tell you to make sure that you use a lot of product. I'm not really familiar with the consistency of this leave-in yet, so that was why I made sure to use plenty of product. I was being very generous. Make sure that you're more generous than scarce, you guys. That's a good way to keep your hair from being dry. A lot of times you guys suffer from dry hair, and this may be the reason why. So just showing you guys here quickly the definition that I got from this leave-in, and I'm really loving it. But you guys know I am a gel girl, so I couldn't stop there. I did have to go in with my Wetline Xtreme gel, and that is what I'm doing here. I'm just taking individual pieces, running them down the running my fingers down the length of my hair, and just allowing the curl to just kind of spring back up on its own. This is how my hair is looking so far. I just wanted to show you guys quickly how it looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and just fast forward to the front of my hair where I'm almost done. This is my last little piece, doing the exact same thing, taking my tangle teaser, making sure to work that product in really well, and then just going through in pieces and just running my fingers down the length of my hair, and my curl just springs right back up. So yeah, you guys, that is it. After I'm done with that, I'm just I decided to do like flat twists on this side of my hair. So I was just getting that piece ready for the flat twist. Now that I'm done flat twisting my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little rubber band at the end, making sure to secure it. And this is just a way for you to be like a little extra, spruce up your wash and go. You guys don't normally do like a regular wash and go for you guys, but I did want to do something just a little extra for my Huns that are going back to school. This is something that you can add to your wash and go routine if you choose to. Now I'm just working on this section where I did my flat twist, making sure to add some water because at this point it was kind of dry. Now I'm adding that leave-in, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add the gel and just work that in really well, making sure that it all looks nice and cohesive. And for this part, I'm just going to go ahead and push my hair back because honestly guys, there's no need of me doing no edges. Nobody's going to see it anyway. Now I'm just looking at myself in the mirror, and check out this close-up of my flat twist and my edges. I thought I did such a good job, you guys. Now I'm showing you the other side of my hair, and then this is the side where I threw on my little hair rings, accessories, whatever you want to call them. I went on ahead and put on a little lippy and some earrings for you all. So I hope you Huns enjoyed this one. It was really fun to make for you. If you guys haven't checked out my other videos, make sure you do so. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. You know what to do. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.